beautiful fashion-inspired workplace.
The breathtaking speed of change.
The energy levels here are very high.
The sheer diversity of opinions and personalities.
So quick, dynamic and fast.
The energy just grabs you and makes you run with it.
It's work hard, party harder.
Our culture is based on the foundation of equality, flexibility, meritocracy and a lot of transparency. We share a lot of information with all employees because we believe the more informed people are, the more empowered they will be. We want to create an environment where people learn a lot, they are able to achieve their potential, and they have a lot of fun in the process. We are very proud of the culture we have built.
Myntra is a really fun place to work at. It has a lot of youngsters on all the teams, and it allows us to be really creative. It gives new opportunities, and we have a beautiful office, so that adds to the bonus.
The company has a very clear objective of helping people look good, and it reflects in almost everything that we do, including the workspace.
The desire for everybody to perform and outperform themselves, to challenge the norms and to create something wonderful every day is what keeps this place ticking.
Every day you can stand up and say, hey, can we do things differently? It allows you to own what you're doing so that your mind can be used to create something bigger for Myntra and for yourself.
Myntra is a great tech-focused company solving a lot of interesting, challenging problems, scalability-related problems any engineer would like to solve. It has a great tech culture, provides a lot of career opportunities and growth.
We have an experimental culture and we are always looking to push the boundaries, to be the best in the world, not just India.
Myntra as an organization provides the creative freedom. They are always open to new ideas, and that is why I can imagine working in a corporate like this.
Thinking outside the box is never a requirement, but it's actually a habit which you develop when you join Myntra.
I love Myntra because of the kind of career opportunities I've been given and continue to get. There's not a day when I don't feel challenged, and every day is a new opportunity and new learning. A great feature of a workplace which can kind of make you constantly think beyond what you think your capabilities are.
People who grow at Myntra, who take on large responsibilities, they only do that because of proven ability to make an impact. You are encouraged to ask tough questions, encouraged to voice your opinion, to share ideas, and that is something that we value very, very highly.
Self-motivated, vibrant people who are not just good at their work, but also very, very passionate about their hobbies, be it marathon running, scuba diving, cricket. Myntra Premier League is very big here. There is fun at work, there is a high energy environment, there is high focus on health and wellness programs.
There are lots of other things as well that you can do. You can probably play snooker with your colleague, you can sit at barista and enjoy a cup of coffee.
If I have a writer's block, I'm going to work out in the gym and then I'm going to head back to my writing.
Best place to work in.
Great place to work in. Best place to work in.
Best place to work in.
Best place to work in.
Best place to work.
We love Myntra!